We have learned the sentencing fate for Adam Zodrow, the 18-year-old who attacked Kevin Durkin in May at the Desert Ridge Inn and Out. Adam, an 18-year-old at the time of the attack, attacked and targeted Kevin Durkin, a 15-year-old who he did not know, and he beat him with brass knuckles. Kevin lost 7 teeth and has already had to have surgery. He will have a lifetime of problems. Adam was arrested for domestic violence in an unrelated incident, and at that time, somehow they found out that he was responsible for Kevin's beating. Kevin's parents have also come forward to say that Adam pretended to be a classmate of Kevin's and was texting him about the attack after the attack. Today, he was sentenced to 6 months in jail. So let's talk about it. Why would a 18-year-old, an adult, be sentenced to only 6 months in jail following an assault with a deadly weapon that is going to leave a victim with problems for the rest of his life? Adam was sentenced by Judge Kramer. Judge Kramer is the juvenile presiding judge. Adam was tried in juvenile court, even though he was 18 at the time of the crime and is 18 now. That comes from a bill signed by Governor Ducey that allowed the state's juvenile justice system to hold over with people until they are 19. I don't know Adam, and there's not a lot of information about Adam online. A person who claims to have dated Adam for over a year is in my comments and says that he was previously in trouble at 14 for committing an assault at an In-N-Out, and that this is his thing. He doesn't seem to me like someone who we should necessarily treat as a juvenile offender. I've talked about how juveniles can be sentenced as adults as early as 15 for violent or dangerous crimes like murder or assault with a deadly weapon. Somehow, Adam has gotten away with just a 6-month sentence. Now, he was hoping to have his previous 87 days in jail count towards his 6-month sentence, but Judge Kramer felt like he should go ahead and serve the whole 6 months. He was also ordered to pay at least $3,500 in restitution. I have talked to you about the statute that makes parents vicariously liable for their teenagers' malicious torts, up to $10,000 per incident, so $3,500 seems low. I think that Kevin's parents should, without a doubt, sue Adam's parents. I also feel like we probably need our prosecutors to look real hard at how they're treating these crimes. I'll talk in another video about criminal intent, mens rea, and give you a little legal lesson on how that all works. But I think we have a problem on our hands with juveniles who are acting without any consequences and creating really serious damage to society as a whole. Not just Kevin, but yes, Kevin, but also all of the other teenagers and parents who don't want their kids to leave the house. Like, it's a problem.